In this video, I'll show you how to create a shadow or a cove box. So we come over to the left-hand side where it says templates. And we come up the top here to patterns and shadow/cove box. So we have two different modes here. One is base and one is top. The only difference between these two is if you're actually going to be running the mat board on a slant. So top takes the measurements from the top, whether it's fitting into a frame, or base, what you're making the product to. So X would be width, or we'll make that 200. Y is the width, that 100. D is the depth of the box, so I might make that 40 mil, and B is the amount of slant that you're going to have in a measurement. So for this exercise, I'll just make it 15, just to show you what's going to happen. What is important here is the material thickness. So for a standard mat board, 1.25 is the measurement. If it's going to be a suede or a thicker mat, you would need to type that measurement in. So if it's a suede, you can leave it at 2 mil. We leave these tools as they are, and we press OK. So you can see the slant shape here. Before you hit the cut button, make sure that when you put the mat board in, that it is face down, because this line here, 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 and here will be a V groove on the back part of the mat.